Good morning everybody, and welcome back to another video blog from here at Effingham Golf Club. It's Friday, the end of course maintenance week. It's been a very busy and intensive week of maintenance. The biggest maintenance program we've ever undertaken as well, but it's proved successful, and I think it's a plan we'll take through into the future. So Monday, the plan was verticutting greens. We started that. We started off with thick fog on Monday, very damp conditions. It wasn't looking good. The verticutters got round to the 12th green and it was just clogging up too much, so we had to pull them off. But they were being followed around then by Mark with the Pro Core, coring out the greens. We used fairly substantial cores this year. The reason we core the greens, of course, is organic matter. We need to control our organic matter. If we don't, it starts building up and it starts leading to all the problems we're trying to avoid and where we were years ago. So we poured a lot of cores out. They're then collected, green tidied up, and then followed with sanding and brushing. So after the cores are out, we have a machine that goes along and starts collecting these, and then we use blowers. This year we had Mr. Steve Slinger join us, and I found the biggest blower I could. We strapped it to his back, and he then spent the next 3 or 4 hours going around helping us out with the greens, which was much appreciated. Did have a very convenient meeting to pop off to in the afternoon though, but we'll let him off. After the collection, it's then sanding, as you know, so lots and lots of sanding taking part. That's gone on. It's Friday now and we're still sanding, so it shows you how big a job that is. We've about 50 tons of sand going on at the moment, when there'll probably be about another 5-6 ton maybe next week. So it's been a big target we've hit. We've worked with ALS. This is where the big problem came from. So ALS, company we've used before, contractors. So they worked alongside us and they cored and verticut, or scarified, should I say, the tees and approaches. We've never managed to do this in maintenance week before, and it's been a great help. So they spent the day with us, all the tees, all the approaches, deep cored and scarified and collected. We then started sanding up these as well. Tees and approaches got a layer of sand on. So that's mainly the thick end of course maintenance week. On the side though, we've managed to top up 8 or 9 bunkers, which has been good. That's ongoing, of course. We've talked about that. So they're getting fresh sand in them. We've installed a trench up at the pump house to accept a new cable for when we reinstall the borehole. We had a borehole problem up there. That's why it's laid out. And that will, we've got a company coming in to put a new borehole in, sorry, and a new pump in, not new borehole, a new pump in, and some electronics to go with that. So we've had to put a trench in for them. And the fence at the 7th, of course, has been installed, nearly finished now, about another 10 meters of it to go just down the bottom end, but the main bit's in. It's there not for an inconvenience, it's actually there to try and get you guys onto the path we've put in, to see if we can get the traffic away from the back of this green and all these worn areas we've been struggling with. So that's in now. I'm sure you guys will find your way around and the convenient way to get around it, but it's there for a reason, and hopefully it does improve the area at the back of the green. So we're then going into our spring maintenance a bit more now. So the fertilizers will be on next. We've got weed killers to go out. We'll be carrying on topping up those bunkers. We've been brushing fairways, cutting fairways at a very early start this year, which has been good for us. This cold weather might just take us back a bit, but we're in good shape before course maintenance week. Tees being cut, hand cutting still ongoing. We've managed to find another mower, a second-hand greens mower, so that's going to be 3 mowers on site. We just need to find another one. That'd be 4, and then we'll be in good shape for the hand mowing of the greens throughout the summer. So yeah, plenty going on, and hopefully a little bit of rain will come in now and it'll just settle this sand down, just wash it in, and then we'll see what we've got to top up next week. But other than that, it's been a good week, and I hope you enjoy the course in the next couple of weeks. Anyway, look after yourselves, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.